Hello friends, now we will start Bumpo. There are various patterns question will come. So first pattern Mondai Ichi. In this question we will do Tadashi Bunpo no Bun. Kako ni nani o iremasu ka? Ichi ni san yon kara ichiban ii mono o hitochu erande kudasai. Select the appropriate word from 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one we will put in the bracket. Let's start. Sorewa watashi dash kasa desu. Watashi is a noun. Kasa also noun. So in between two noun, no particle will come. Watashi no kasa desu. Because it mentions ownership of a object. So san is the correct answer. No. Niban, question number 2. Jitensha dash gakko e ikimasu. Gakko e ikimasu, destination is school. It takes a particle or you can use also ni particle here. Gakko e ikimasu. Jitensha, bicycle. It is a norimono. You can say also vehicle. When a vehicle using for the transportation purpose, that vehicle takes de particle. So jitensha de. Answer is ichi. 1. Jitensha de gakko e ikimasu. Nanban, question number 3. Haha wa ryori dash joju desu. If a noun or object will come before joju, heta, suki, kirai, that object take ga particle. Haha wa ryori ga joju desu. I followed Minna no Nihongo 1 from lesson 1 to lesson 25. I explained everything in those lessons. If you follow those lessons properly, it will be very helpful to complete this JLPT questions, and also it will be 100% helpful to you to complete JLPT exam. Haha wa ryori ga joju desu. So, its answer is ni. This is correct answer. Haha wa ryori ga joju desu. 4. Kyoshichi ni wa dare dash imasen deshita. Imasen deshita, negative verb. WH question. So, dare mo. Article mo. Dare mo imasen deshita. So, answer is 3. Kyoshichi ni wa dare mo imasen deshita. Got it? Question number 5. Ryori dash hono kaimashita. Hon, it is a noun. Ryori also noun. So, ryori no hon. Which book you purchased? I purchased cooking book. So, ryori no hon. Particle no will over here. Answer is ni. Next, question number 6. Ji dash aimasu. This is specific time. So, when you do some action in a specific time, at that time ni particle comes. It means so, juji ni. Answer is ichi. Understood? Question 7. Atarashi jiso dash hoshi desu. Hoshi, wants, desire. Jiso ga hoshi desu. When we explain something we want, so after that object, after ga particle comes. Atarashi jiso ga hoshi desu. So answer is ga. Next question 8. Uchi dash kaisa made 30分かかります. Uchi kara kaisa made 30分かかります. From my home to company it takes 30 minutes. So uchi kara. 1. Watashi wa ima Tokyo dash sunde imasu. Watashi wa ima Tokyo means place. Before sunde imasu, it comes a place. That place take ni particle. Watashi wa ima Tokyo ni sunde imasu. C is the correct answer. 1 is the correct answer. Watashi wa ima Tokyo ni sunde imasu. Now I am staying at Tokyo. Question number 10. Koko ni kuruma dash tomete wa ikemasen. If a direct object comes before the transitive verb, that direct object take o particle. So, koko ni kuruma o tometewa ikemasen. You must not park car here. The answer is ni, 2. Ichiban, question number 11. Watashi wa isa dash nari tai desu, want. If e adjective comes before the narimas, it changes to ku. Like takai, takaku, yasui, yasuku, takaku narimas, yasuku narimas, this way. If a noun and na adjective comes before narimas or naritai, this they takes ni particle after them, means genki, genki ni narimas, bendri, bendri ni narimas, kirei, kirei ni narimas, like that. As isa, it is a noun, so it takes isa ni nari tai des. I want to be a doctor. So answer is ichi, ni particle. Univan, watashi wa Yamashita-san dash kaimono wo shimashita. Question number 12. Watashi wa Yamashita-san dash kaimono wo shimashita. Here, which particle will come? You do some action with someone. We already learned in our lesson, if we do some action with somebody, or if you go for walk like sanposimas, like that kind with animal, then that person and that animal takes to particle. Here answer is 4, to particle. Watashi wa Yamashita-san to kaimono wo shimashita. Jusanban, question number 13. Yoru wa nani dash tabemasu ka? Nani tabemasu. It is a verb, a transitive verb. So, nani o tabemasu ka? Yoru wa nani o tabemasu ka? So, answer it o. Yoru wa nani o tabemasu ka? 14 番 koko de michi dash watarimasu. Michi o watarimasu. There are some moving verbs like sanposimas, watarimasu, arukimasu. These are the verbs takes o particle before them. Maybe so koko de michi o watarimasu. Answer is 4. Jugoban, kyonen no 3月 dash nihon ne kimashita. Kyonen no 3月 dash nihon ne kimashita. Kyonen no 3月 it is a specific date. So, it takes ni particle. Kyonen no 3月 ni nihon ne kimashita. So, answer is 4. Next, 16 番 昨日はどこか dash 出かけましたか? どこか a particle. Answer is 2番 どこかへ出かけましたか? So answer is A. 17番お腹が dash 食べられません. Here 食べられません cannot eat. So 痛くて answer will be 3. お腹が痛くて食べられません. When we joined adjective change to kutte, na adjective or noun take de, and if it is a verb it takes te form. So here it is tai is e adjective. So ita kutte taberare masen. 18番どこで切符を dash いますか? どこで切符 切符 is ticket. So います te form います売っていますか? So 1番 is the correct answer. So utte is the correct answer because urimas is ichi group verb. It changes to te form utte. Q1 question number 19. Doa o dash kudasai. Kudasai it takes te form kudasai. So te kudasai. So answer is 3. 20 question 20. Ane wa eiga o dash ikimashita. Eiga ni ikimashita. We know, we learn in our lesson when we explain our purpose or aim or object. If it is noun, ni particle. If it is verb, mass form, ni particle. Mimas, mass form is me. So answer will be mini. So answer 1 is the correct answer. Question number 21. Kyo wa mada nanimo dash. Nanimo, a negative verb must be come. These are positive, so no need to read ichi and san. Abe nai desita, that is wrong. Abete imasen. It is correct. So, answer will be yon. Tabete imasen. Number 22. Quinoa, darenimo, dash. Again mo particle. Quino, it is here past, and darenimo, mo particle. So negative, so past negative will come. Here past negative is I masen desita. So correct answer is 4. Comes to Niju Sanban, question number 23. Tomodachini dash hon o yomi masita. Tomodachini dash hon o yomi masita. Kariru, karita, karimasita, katte. You modify a noun hon. So tomodachini, karita. Kariru never go because yomi masita. It is a past form. So we also take past form. So karita. Karimasita also past form, but we cannot take here because as it is modifying a noun, so it should go plain form. That is the reason ni is the correct answer. Modachi ni karita hono yomimasita. 24. Rajio dash benkyo shimasu. We are going to mention two verbs simultaneously. When you do two work simultaneously, the grammar form will go nagara, and nagara take mas form. Rajio kikimasu, so kikimasu plus nagara, so kiki nagara will be the correct answer. Kiki nagara, so san ban is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Kiki nagara. Rajio o kiki nagara benkyo shimasu. Nagara grammar we used when we do two actions simultaneously. It means in same time. Question number 25. Eigao dash atode honyae ikimasu. Eigao mita atode. Atode always take past form. Answer will be sanban. Answer is 3. Niju Rokuban, question number 26. Minasan dash shite kudasai. Shizuka, shizuka na, shizuka da, shizuka ni. Minasan, shizuka ni shite kudasai. 4 ban. Correct answer is ni shimasu. So, shizuka ni shimasu. Correct answer is 4. Question number 27. Niju Nanaban. Sumit-san no heya wa amari dash desu. Mitsu-san no heya wa amari hiro kunai desu. Hiro amari is here, so it will take negative. Here negative is 2. Hiroi janai, it is wrong. Hiro kunai. So correct answer is 3. Amari. Once you know amari, no need to see any positive answer. It is take negative. So hiroi janai, it is wrong. So hiro kunai. If you learn little bit also, you can pass N5 very nicely. Niju Hachiban. Fuyu ni natte dash narimashita. Fuyu ni natte dash narimashita. Narimas muku narimashita. Here is the yon. It is the correct answer. Number 29. Quinoa dash. It is kino. Kino take past form. So achuku desita, achu khatta des, achui khatta des. No. When we take past form of e adjective, how it will make? You omit e and add khatta. So achui, achu khatta. Des remain intact. So no change in des. That is the reason 2 is the correct answer. Achu khatta des. Question number 30. Sanjuban. Koko de tobacco dash kudasai. Kudasai again. Tobacco o. Either it will take te kudasai or nai de kudasai. If you say te kudasai, please do. If you say nai de kudasai, please don't do. So check here. Answer will be swa nai de kudasai. Question number 31. Kaje no toki wa kono kusuri o dash kudasai. Kudasai again. So te kudasai. Kusuri takes nomimas verb. So non de kudasai. Answer is 2. の時はこの薬を飲んでください。わかりましたか皆さん。32番 or question number 30. Tuhan o dash maeni teo araimaso. Maeni take dictionary form. Tuhan o dash maeni teo araimaso. For maeni, if verb comes, verb take dictionary form. We already learn in our lesson. So, Gohano taberu maeni. The answer is ni. Taberu maeni teo araimaso. Sanju san. Question number 33. Arewa byoin a dash basu des. Here basu is modifying by a sentence. When a noun modified by a sentence is to 10 form. So basu, iku basu. Arewa byoine iku basu des. Answer is Sanju Yonban. Question number 34. Tosokan ni dash hono karimasu. Tosokan ni itte hono karimasu. So answer will be Tosokan ni itte hono karimasu. Understood? Hope you understand the grammar. If you learn my lessons from lesson 1 to lesson 25 of Minna no Nihongo, then it will be very easy for you to do.